Are you preparing for a PHP interview and looking for some common questions and their answers? Well, you've come to the right place. Firstly, let's tackle this question. What is PHP? PHP, or Hypertext Preprocessor, is a server-side scripting language primarily used for web development. Moving on to the second question. What are the types of errors in PHP? There are 3 types of errors in PHP: notices, warnings, and fatal errors. Notices are non-critical errors that don't stop the script execution. Warnings indicate potential problems with the script but don't halt the execution. Fatal errors, on the other hand, are critical errors that stop the script execution. The third question you might come across is, what is the difference between include and require in PHP? Both are used to include a file in PHP, but they handle errors differently. If the file is not found with include, a warning is issued and the script continues to execute. However, if the file is not found with require, a fatal error is issued and the script execution stops. Next, how can you prevent SQL injection in PHP? SQL injection can be prevented by using prepared statements or parameterized queries with placeholders, implementing proper input validation and sanitization techniques, and avoiding dynamic SQL queries whenever possible. The fifth question is, what is the difference between get and post methods in PHP? Get and post are HTTP methods used to send data to the server. Get method appends data to the URL and has limitations on the amount of data that can be sent. Post method sends data in the request body and has no such limitations. Question number 6. How can you handle file uploads in PHP? File uploads in PHP can be handled using the files superglobal array and the move_uploaded_file function. Then you may be asked, what is the difference between miscli and PDO in PHP? Both are PHP extensions used for database access. The key difference is that miscli is specific to MySQL databases, whereas PDO supports multiple databases. The 8th question is, what are namespaces in PHP? Namespaces are used to avoid naming collisions between PHP classes, functions, and constants. They provide a way to organize and encapsulate code. Question number 9. How can you handle exceptions in PHP? Exceptions in PHP can be handled using the try, catch, and finally blocks. The try block contains code that may throw an exception. If an exception is thrown, it is caught and handled in the catch block. The finally block is executed regardless of whether an exception is thrown or caught. The final question is, what is the difference between echo and print in PHP? Both are built-in methods used to output data in PHP. Echo can output multiple values at once, is slightly faster than print, and does not return a value. Print can only output a single value and returns a value of 1, which can be used in expressions. In conclusion, PHP is a versatile and powerful language used for web development. Understanding its nuances such as error types, file inclusion methods, data sending methods, and more will give you an edge in your PHP interviews. Good luck, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.